Self-defense in civil personal injury cases. Now, this does not come up often at all, but every now and then we see it. So the question is, do you have a right to self-defense in the civil context, just like you do in criminal? In essence, if you act in self-defense and you are charged with a crime, in court you could defend that case by saying, no, I was acting in self-defense. And there's a couple of ways of doing that. One way is that you can take it to the jury, and the jury has to decide whether the government proved beyond a reasonable doubt that you're not acting in self-defense at the time of the crime. Or you could file a motion, what's called a stand your ground motion, where the judge can decide that you were acting in self-defense and throw out the case. But that's in the criminal context. Can you do the same thing in the civil context? The answer is yes. The self-defense and stand your ground laws are applicable. It's something you can use in the civil context. So if you are sued for a tort, an intentional tort like battery, like hitting somebody or shooting somebody, or really any version of a physical violent tort, you could say that you were acting in self-defense if that's what happened, and you could actually take advantage of all the protections of self-defense in Florida. And so it's almost exactly the same, although the burdens are very different. Just remember, in a civil case, the burden is not beyond a reasonable doubt. It's what we call preponderance. But other than that, it's essentially the same. The same laws that apply in criminal as it relates to self-defense will apply to you in a civil case. So anyway, guys, if you did not know, now you know.